Hello dear friends, my name is Yuri and today we will speak about future plans on next week what you can trade. For a start, let's speak about Euro USD and what could be the next. As you see this currency pair, broke up this key level and huge chance that price will continue rise up. That's why best strategy will be open buy after some pullback to this area. It will be the best what you can do. After that, after that we open USD Swiss franc. Last week, price made a huge bull trap. You saw the trap here. As you see, price broke up this key level and closed above few seconds. It was here. It was huge trap. At this moment, huge probability that price will continue drop down and best entry will be after pullback open sell, something like this. Price make pullback, and on that pullback you open sell. There will be two goals. First goal will be this level 97.32, and second goal will be 96.94. It will be two goals for Swiss franc. The same stuff, similar stuff on Japanese yen, because as you see, price also made the trap like on Swiss franc, and best what you can do is to open sell after pullback, because this it was a range huge accumulation, and after that accumulation price will give to us a really accurate entry with low risk. That's why best will be something like this. It will be the best what you can do. About British pound, few seconds. As you see, British pound still in this accumulation, and British pound a little bit different than other currency pairs because the pressure, because a new prime minister who speak a lot about Brexit and that they can go out from Europe without any deal. That's why this currency pair under that pressure. That's why price still can make some real low. How it can be? Few seconds. Let's open bigger time frame and you will see a whole picture. As you see a whole picture, price bounced from this level, and huge chance that price will hit this level or even this low. If that will happen, I will open new accurate sell entry, something like this. If this will happen, it will be best buy entry here or here. Also, let's go to gold and speak about gold. As you see, price rose up in this upward channel. What could be the next? Best entry will be, it could be something like this. Price can bounce it from border of this channel. That's why nearly this key level, nearly 1460, you can look for sell entry, accurate sell entry with low risk and good potential reward, because as you see, price made this cycle, uprise, pullback, and uprise. Price finished up cycle. Okay. Also about oil. Also, few seconds. I'm opening oil, UK oil. Also, friends, don't forget to push like, follow me on TradingView, and subscribe on YouTube channel, because as you see, all videos is useful and you can trade it on real personal accounts as I do. That's why just right now subscribe and follow. Canadian UK oil. Few seconds. UK oil, UK, where is UK, real UK oil? As you see, price bounced before this low previous week and made this huge uprise to this sell level, sell area, to this mirror level. At this moment, price between two key levels, and it is not best place where you can open entry. Best will be to wait when price will do something, because if you open entry here, right now, your stop loss, if you open buy, your stop loss must be here. If you open sell, your stop loss must be here. It's too much, too big a risk, and it doesn't worth it, because we don't know what will be the next, because the next will be something like this, and also could be something like this. That's why, friends, in oil, better to be out. And also take a look on some indexes. Few seconds. Indexes. Let's start from Australia index. As we spoke before, also we sent an idea about Australia index price bounced from this historical high. At this moment, there is no any entry because price dropped down dramatically. What could be the next? If there will be some pullback, something like this pullback, you can open sell, or as you see, price close to this level from which price bounced many times. If price will break it down, fix below, on pullback, you can open sell to continue down drop. About S&P 500, the same stuff. As you see, price broke down this channel, broke down everything. Only on pullback you can open sell entry. Few seconds, take a look. If there will be something like this, some deep pullback, just open sell, that's all. Because huge chance that in long term price will hit this area. And few words about cryptocurrencies. Let's open Bitcoin and take a look what's going on. Bitcoin broke up, as we spoke before. Bitcoin broke up this key level. It was last trend line which Bitcoin broke up, as you see here. It broke it up here and made this mirror of trend line. At this moment, it looks like price even can hit this area and go up to this level, and after that we will see what could be the next. That's why, friends, don't forget to push like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and follow me on TradingView. Have a great trading week. Bye.